Hey guys, it's Simone SHARICE. Welcome to Sunday in Olive Pilates. Today we're going to be doing an arm workout. It is going to be a full 12-minute workout. Listen, we love our arms to look nice and toned. We're going into winter, into fall, and this is the best time for you to start sculpting those arms. So we're going to be using some weights from Bala. These can go around your ankles or around your wrist. I call them ankle weights, but if you don't have any wrist weights, that's totally okay. You can just go ahead and defy gravity and pull down and still engage those muscles. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. You can come up to kneeling. If knees hurt, that's totally okay. Go ahead and sit back onto your butt, and we'll go ahead and bring the arms out in the shape of a T. I want you to be able to see your arms in your peripheral. We'll take an inhale, we'll exhale and lower the arms. Inhale and bring the arms back up. And we'll lower. And we'll bring it back up. We're here for 10. And 9. Now, as you're doing this, I want you to focus on really just pulling down as if your hands are in water and you're trying to push the water down as you bring your hands to your thighs. Nice. You will get pretty warmed up in this one, just giving you a heads up, because doing arms for 12 minutes is a little crazy, I know, but we're getting just a bit warmed up. And 2. And last one, bring the arms back up. We'll do tiny circles for 10 and 9. And inhale, make sure you're breathing through this. With Pilates, breathing is so important. And opposite direction. Woo! If you don't feel your shoulders and kind of like the backs of your arms, are you even doing it right? But you should feel this. And inhale. Bring the arms down. We'll come up into our goalpost. We'll come up to kneeling. We'll bring the arms out in front of us. Bring the elbows up and lower. Nice control. Keeping that core tight. Even though we are only working the arms, we're still keeping that core nice and engaged. And I want you to pull down into your lats, okay? Woo! And 2 more. Last one, keep those arms lifted. Go into your goal pose. Inhale, exhale. Bring the palms facing you. Bring the palms out. Bring the palms facing you and out. Nice. Inhale. Keep those arms up and out. Almost done. And hold it in. Tiny pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the arms back. Lean the body slightly forward. Right? We're here. We'll tuck that pelvis, straighten out the back, and bring the arms up. Really reach those arms back. Tuck that pelvis, aka tucking the butt under. Press the tops of your feet into the mat. Shoulders are down and back. Make sure they're not rounded over. Make sure they're arched, they're brought back. And we're here. And as you come forward, 2 pulses. And up. Bring the knees together, arms are back, and we bring the palms up, right? We're still squeezing the ribs with our elbows. That's how we're getting those triceps. Nice. And inhale. Notice if you're holding any tension around your neck. Make sure to release it. Exhale. You can come down if you feel best. And we're here. Nice. And 2. And 1. My next favorite thing to do, serve the platter. We'll keep those elbows tucked into the ribs. We'll inhale, we'll exhale and reach the arms out and wide. You can still see it in your peripheral. You'll bring it back in. We'll inhale and back in. Nice. Inhale and as we do this, shoulders are still down and back. Core is still nice and tight. And we're resisting the arms to come back in. Keep the arms down. Bring the arms in, bring the arms out. So we're doing some internal rotation and some external rotations. So we're inhaling. Let's stretch it out. We'll just bring one arm behind our head. And just kind of drop the shoulder and stretch the arm over. Relax the shoulders. Bring the shoulders back up. Arms back up. And pull. Drop the shoulder. Bring both arms down. We're gonna come down to all fours and we'll focus on some posture for this. We'll take an inhale. We'll do some sternum drops. We'll inhale here and just drop the chest to the ground and bring that back, upper back to the ceiling. We'll inhale, drop the chest. Exhale, push the chest up. Drop, scoop in those lower abs still, and push all the way back up. We're here for 3, core still tight. And drop, and press, press, press away. And one more, and we press down. Step the legs out. We'll take an inhale, we'll hold here, drop the booty. We'll bring the right leg up and bring it back down. We'll bring the left leg up and bring it back down. Down to the knees and stretch it all the way out. And stretch. Back up to all fours. We'll step the right leg out and then step that left leg, drop the booty, press into the floor. We'll hold. Keep it in that lower core. It's still tight. We'll bring the right leg up and the left. And right and left. Down to the knees and press back. Child's pose. And round up. Okay, I'm sweating, but I always sweat. You're gonna come down to your stomach, and we'll keep our arms by our side, hands by the boob. We'll take an inhale, again, tuck the tailbone, so we're not going into our lower back. We'll tuck the tailbone. Feet are nice and pointed, legs are glued together. Forehead is down, exhale, baby swan up. Back down. We'll inhale, exhale, lift the head and chest. Elbows are still in, and we're back down. We'll inhale, exhale. And we're back down. This time we'll go all in. We'll take an inhale, lift the head and chest, extend those arms long. Drop the shoulders. We'll come down to a hover, and we're back up. So we're working those triceps. We're inhaling. Remember to keep those shoulders down and back, legs are pointed, pelvis is tucked. And nice. We'll inhale, exhale, shoulders are down. Try not to hold any tension up there. And one more. We'll inhale, scoop in those lower abs, tuck the tailbone. And we're back down. We'll rest for a second. Oh, we're almost done, guys. Turn over onto your left side, onto your right side. We'll bring that arm up. Bring the feet to the front of the mat. We'll bring that arm up and in line with the shoulder. We'll take the ribs, pull them up, maintain this where the ribs are. We'll inhale, exhale, lower the arms and legs. We're back. And we're here. And we're back. Yes. This is legs and arms. Nice. Keeping those ribs lifted. We're here for 3. And 2. And 1. Roll over onto your backs. We're gonna go into some bridges. As we're in bridges, we'll bring the arms up. Palms are directly over shoulders. We'll take an inhale. We'll exhale and bring the pelvis up into a bridge. Inhale here. Drop the hands as the body comes up and arm comes up as body lowers. Inhale, and we're exhaling. Still keep these upper ribs scooped in and together, and we're back up. We'll inhale, lower the arms. Keep the body up, arms stay up. We'll bring the arms down by the side and up. And down by the side and up. Still keep that core nice and tight. And lower back down. Again, bring those feet, the corner front of the mat, lift the ribs, arm is up in line with the shoulder, and we lift. We bring that leg to the arm. And last one. Woo! Roll on over to your stomachs, arms by your side. Press back into your child's pose. And I like to just go in a circle with my body because I feel like I'm getting a great stretch all over, especially in my spine. We'll come up to all fours. We'll go into some angry cats. Knees are under hips. And we'll bring the eyes up to the ceiling, going into your cat. I mean, your cow. And round the spine, round, round, round. Look at your belly button. If you've made it this far in the video, that means you've done your entire arm workout. Go ahead and take off those wrist weights. Just bring one arm over the chest. Drop the shoulder. Bring the arms back and switch arms. You guys are done with today's workout. You guys, I sweat all the time, so if you don't look like this, it is totally okay. But give yourself a pat on the back for showing up today. And until I post my next video next week, I highly recommend you guys check out my Pilates playlist that I'll link right here. Until next time. Now you can go ahead and enjoy your day because your workout is done. Be sure to tune in every Thursday for a Pilates video. Leave a comment down below if you guys felt it in your arms today. I just want to know. See ya.